At Saturday Academy, we strive to engage all young people from every community in hands-on, in-depth learning by connecting them to community experts as educators and mentors. We want to expand students' curiosity via the programs we offer and introduce them to a whole range of future opportunities they might not otherwise have known about. At the heart of everything we do is a desire to spark curiosity and a love of learning for every Saturday Academy student. We believe in small class sizes and hands-on learning because we want to give our students as much individualized attention as possible. We embrace emerging technologies and build skill sets to prepare the students of today for the careers of tomorrow.
Learning skills for the future.
Saturday Academy plays a crucial role in creating tomorrow's STEM professionals: science, technology, engineering, and math. Those are the skill sets that are most in demand today, along with soft skills such as relating to people, working in groups, solving problems together. And Saturday Academy gives students a wonderful opportunity to bring those both together.
We offer a vast variety of STEM classes and camps, from math puzzles and SAT prep to drones and architecture.
Future STEM professional.
At local academic medical centres in our Introduction to Health Careers class, after a behind-the-scenes tour of the hospital, students find themselves learning some necessary dissection skills. Some of our opportunities are more embedded in real life than others and are so unique that without Saturday Academy classes, the students might never get that kind of opportunity, especially during a traditional school day. There are many emerging fields in healthcare and medicine, and a growing shortage of healthcare professionals. We want to be part of the solution to this problem and help fill those shortages by engaging students at a young age to explore these fields.
I am an innovator.
What could be more exciting than drone technology, engineering, flight skills, aerial photography? The real potential of drones will likely not be known until we have our next generation of pilots. Saturday Academy classes and camps program helps them imagine that potential now.
Drone technology is a technology of the future because we've only just begun to tap its potential. It's really great for kids to gain that detailed understanding, and by preparing these young people now, they're going to be able to take advantage of those opportunities in the future. And we're going to need 10,000, 100,000, maybe more than that, qualified drone pilots. And you can get your initial certification when you're only 16 years old. So Saturday Academy can really help you put that first brick in the pathway to a professional career.
Future software developer.
Our Coding in Virtual Reality, or VCoder class, not only teaches coding, but lets students think in a 3D environment where they build in virtual reality. VR is very much a cutting-edge, emerging technology, and Saturday Academy introduces students to it.
I think our greatest goal as far as impact is to establish confidence with coding, and especially with girls and minorities and underserved students. And so since virtual reality is going to be blooming here in the future, it's the best way that we can bring forth coding. It completely immerses the students in the learning. It's a way of bringing coding into virtual reality and making it offered on an individual level for people at all different levels. So making it fun is going to make it much easier for them to learn.
Our Saturday Academy to You Afterschool program brings STEM classes to students at Title I schools free of charge annually. Our goal is to provide opportunities to as many students as we can by removing transportation and financial barriers to participation. Our Apprenticeships in Science and Engineering, or ACE program, provides internship opportunities for high school students. By serving as an intern and working on a full-time job for the very first time, students begin to see themselves in professional life and to experience what a specific career could entail at a pivotal moment in their educational careers.
Future computer programmer.
Not girls observe technology or girls use technology, but girls engage technology. So we go for 4th and 5th grade girls, and we provide positive engineering experiences. There are a lot of girls out there who could be engineers, who have the right skills, and they need to be exposed. Kids who aren't good in school, who don't consider themselves academically inclined, they can thrive. All of our classes are hands-on, and 12 kids and a passionate teacher. It's amazing.
Saturday Academy is committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Our programs are provided free of charge or at reduced rates for low-income families. It is your generosity that helps us serve all students. As Saturday Academy looks to the future, we hope you will join us in inspiring and educating the next generation of young people to follow their curiosity and gain confidence in their abilities, all while developing a lifelong love of learning. We could not do this without your support.